Hi, my name is Vicki and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing my June 2021 BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe. Kind of big. My box, guys, got in like the very last week of June, so here we are. But anywho, in case you're new here, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. Okay, so there's the base box that's $25 per month, and then there's the premium box, which I believe is $35 per month. Now with the base, you receive, let me check my little notes, you receive 5 products. You have 1 item that you can choose from, and then the other is just random. And then with the premium, that's $35 per month, you receive 6 products, and you're able to customize or choose 2 of those 6 that you receive. The base box has, I believe, a value on average about $175 per the website, the BoxyCharm website, and then the premium on average about $215 in that neighborhood. And then the Boxy Luxe, which we're reviewing today. Now, if you have the base subscription on the months where it's Boxy Luxe time, let's see, that is March, June, September, and December. Instead of receiving the base box, you'll receive the Boxy Luxe, like I have, and that is $49.99 for those particular months, those quarterly boxes. So let's discuss June. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to start off with the lashes. This is Moxie Lash, and it's a kit. I have them on now. I don't know if you guys can see them, but let me show you what came in the little kit. You have these little lash, I guess you can call it cleaner applicators, and let me see. I haven't opened them yet. They are sealed. They look like this. Okay, that's the remover item, and the lashes came in this cute magnetic box. Just snaps right back down, and then you have the little liner that you have to use to get the lashes to adhere. Now, this is what it looks like. When you use the liner, you have to put it on and wait 3 minutes before you can actually apply the lashes. So that's the Moxie Lash kit, and that came to, let me look it up here on my little card. It's called the Sassy Luxe Bundle, and it says, get ready to ditch your glue on lashes for good and level up your lash game. So this little kit here is exclusive to BoxyCharm, and it's $90. Ooh, okay. Let me mark this one off here. So that's, again, Moxie Lash. And I've never worn lashes in my life. I have to get used to getting them on. I probably need that little applicator. I had noticed it helps you push them up, or it could just be user error perhaps. But they feel okay. This particular pair might be a tad long for my personal preference, but I wear contact lenses. I didn't have any problems, with my eyes or anything. So I'm glad I got them. And that was actually one of my choice items because I heard other ladies speaking on them. I wanted to give them a try, and I'm glad that I got them. So let's see what else we have here. Let's see. Now, this item, this is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, and I've been using this for about a week now. So my jar is going to look kind of, you can see where I've dug in it. But I do like this product, and I have dry skin. It's very nice. Now, with it looking that yummy, you would think it would have a scent, but it doesn't. It's just pretty to look at. So let's see here. This is Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Melt away makeup daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy and fresh. And it has pumpkin enzymes, cherry, and enriched in AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, and that is $38, and that's actually a new product to BoxyCharm, so that's kind of nice. So that's what we have. Let me bring it back in queue. Okay, let's see what else. Now, the next item, I've been using this. This is the fresh green leaves. It's actually, let me bring it back in the frame because I did that kind of quick. This is a hand wash, and let's see what it says here on this little card. I feel like my lashes are about to fall off. Oh, let's see. Okay, it's actually by Smith French Dublin is the name of the company, and it says this invigorating hand wash is power packed with uplifting essence and lovingly made in Ireland, and it's locally sourced, and it helps clear the mind, energize, and inspire. And the cost of that is, let's see here, $25. So moving right along. Then we have, now this item here is a triple oxidant face cream, and this is by Dr. Brent, but I'm not going to open it because what I'm finding, I've been with BoxyCharm I think since November of last year, and what's happening is like I'm getting all these moisturizers and things, which I love, by the way, but you know, I now have like 5 moisturizers open at one time, which is not good. So I'm just going to show you the packaging. It's what it looks like, and it has a seal on it, which I'm not going to take off. But that's it, and let's see what it says here on the card. And oh, by the way, let's see here. Dr. Brent, here it is, triple antioxidant face cream. This antioxidant-enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection, which is really good, from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. Now, it has a revolutionary A3 power. That's something that's formulated with. And let's see, it's supposed to shield, boost with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients that basically is supposed to give you a more youthful appearance. And that little puppy, ooh, it's also new to BoxyCharm. That little guy is $64. Again, this is triple oxidant face cream, Dr. Brent, Say I Love You, and pretty little box here. And again, the cream. So that's what we have here. And let's see what else we have in here. Now, let's see. The next item, which is one of my favorite brands in the whole wide world, is NARS. I love NARS, period. This is the iconic, the legendary. This is a blusher. I think you all, if you're a NARS fan, even if you're not a NARS fan, you've heard of this one. You know, if you're in makeup at all. This is Orgasm. And let me show you this blusher. You know, that's what it looks like. And I actually have it on today now, you know, I hope you guys can see it. But what I love about NARS products, I have, on my lips, I have their Dolce Vita. It's that the pigmentation, it goes a long, long way. And you don't just burn it through your product. You know, you get your money's worth. Some brands, you know, if your complexion is a little darker like mine, they just don't show up on you, unfortunately. So NARS gets it right. You know, all of their products are great. From Sheer Glow, you know, Orgasm has like a highlighter, which you can use too. But I love NARS. And let me see, the blushers with NARS, let's see if they're still 30. Yes, this is still $30. And as the card says here, this is a cult favorite. It is true. This is like, you know, in the NARS Hall of Fame type thing. It's best-selling blusher, delivers weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte satin. And yeah, like I said, I'm happy I got it. Matter of fact, in our add-ons, I might review it. I actually have Taj Mahal coming. I've always wanted that, and it's in the mail. I probably have it on next time or sometime in the future. You guys will see me with it. But that was NARS. Now, let me see here. The next item, this is by Earth Harbor. And let's see, what is this little fella? It is Natural Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. So let me open this up here. And it's in a little dropper. I've actually tried this a couple of times. I like it. Now, it says it has, let's see here. Fortify, nourish, and revive dull, damaged hair using superfoods. Okay, let's see what they are. We have seaweed and coconut. Okay, and we have some jasmine. Okay, and to tackle dry scalp, scraggly ends. Okay, so just a lot of oh, wait a minute. Oh, carrot seed is in here too. That's nice. So it's in a little dropper form. Let me see. This, since I'm using it, I'll just show you guys traditional, dropper type situation. Yeah. So that's that little guy. So let's see. There's something in our box for this. Now this next product, this is by AVON, and I did try this for a couple of days. This is AVON Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Serum. Now, you guys hang on for it. You're not going to believe this. Let me take it out of the package and show you what it looks like. And since I am using it, that's what it looks like. And here's the applicator, traditional type lip gloss type deal. You just put a wee bit on. Not too much. So when I tell you, doesn't really have a taste to it, but this is AVON Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Lip Serum. Now it says a lip serum designed to plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to, hydrate and without feeling sticky. And okay, this little fella is $122. Yeah, $122 for this guy. So I won't be wasting this, for really. But again, that is AVON. And like I said, I've been using this, and my box is a little raggedy now, but that's the lip serum by AVON. And I feel like I left something. Oh, yeah, I did. Oops. Sorry. This is Smashbox, and this is, oh, me and these packages. I'm like the worst. It takes me 1,000 years. But this is a little eyeshadow palette. Let me show you the pretty packaging. And let me show you the colors. Let me cover up this mirror. That might be a little better. Let me zoom in for you guys. Let's see here. Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette. These are probably TSA safe if you're traveling because they're so petite. Let's see here. A high impact powder eyeshadow palette with 2 base shadows and 6 different colors. Okay, so we have a little bit of mattes and shimmers here without feeling sticky. Okay, no, not sticky. That's the lip serum. No, for mesmerizing looks. Whoops. Okay, so again, these are the colors. And that's a pretty palette. I'm sure I'll use that. Yeah, that's very pretty. If you guys would like to see a look with this palette, just put in the comments below. Be happy to do so. So I think that's about it, guys. Let me make sure I have everybody. Yep, my little bag is empty. So let's see. I had the Element Superfood. That was the cleansing butter. That was $38. NARS Orgasm Blush, $30. The Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette, $29. The AVON Lip Serum, $122. The Moxie Lash Sassy Luxe Bundle, that was $90. Earth Arbor Natural Sunstone Hair Serum, that was $30. And then Dr. Brandt, the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, $64. And the Smith French Dublin, the hand wash, which does smell yummy, by the way. It's real earthy, nothing really fruity, just real mellow type scent. That is $25. So altogether, my June Boxy Luxe came in at an amazing $428, which is pretty awesome. And you know, guys, I know this is at the end, but I totally forgot to put the card up. This was the card that came inside, and the theme is Dare to Dazzle. Again, this is for June, and that was the card. Normally I have forgetting, but whoops. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review. My June box should be coming in any day. I had received a tracking number for it, I think it was the end of last week. So hopefully that'll be showing up. I think it's coming by the just regular mail though, so we shall see. My mail's been really, really slow as of late. But all right, guys, thank you much for stopping by. Please, rate, share, comment, thumbs up. You guys know the drill. And I will see you soon. Have a great day. Take care.